SEO for YouTube channel. Hello guys, I am Saif and in this video I am going to share with you how to do SEO for YouTube channel. I am sharing my 5 years knowledge plus all the freelancing experience that I got after managing different clients for YouTube. Plus, this is the knowledge of all the paid courses that are out there on the internet. I'm sharing with you for free so that you don't have to do anything. And after practicing all these SEO tips for YouTube, you'll get to know that you can rank any of your video for free. So kindly watch this video complete and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below because this is the part of SEO too. So let's talk about how can your video show up at different platforms. So first you have to know that there are 5 different platforms where video can show up. First is home. In home, your video gets suggested to the people who are subscribed to your channel or interested in your channel. Second is search. YouTube is second largest search engine on the internet. So someone searches for the topic, your video might appear in front of them. Third is shorts. If you do some shorts or do vertical live stream, your video might appear in shorts. Fourth is browse features. Let's say you are making a video on a topic and there are already dozens of videos on that specific topic. So if people are watching those channel videos, your video might appear in next. So this is browse features. And fifth is Google search. If someone searches for a topic and that is not available in any form of article, your video might show up to those people who are interested in that topic and searching for the topic. So these are the 5 search engines you need to make sure that your video might appear in those sections. So after this, we have to do pre-SEO. Pre-SEO means that you have to do certain steps that are necessary for video to match SEO guidelines. One is choose a trend. If you make a video that no one is interested in, your video is a failure. For example, if you make a video on like how did earth form, no one is searching for that video, let's say, then it's a useless video. But let's say you are making on a video that is trending or in news or people are might be interested in that, or it gives them entertainment or good time pass or helps them, in any case that's a trend. So a trending video can help you to rank higher and more watch time. Second is pre-production SEO. As you know that I started this video with the phrase SEO for YouTube channel. This is because I was aware that this is the keyword people are searching for. So I used SEO for YouTube channel multiple times so that my video gets ranked higher in Google and YouTube. So you have to add keywords in your video so that when you speak about some things, you mention those keywords and YouTube recommends to the people who are searching for that specific topic. It's very necessary. Then we have good video editing. A good video editing can help you to get more watch time and more audience retention and more engagement. So it is very necessary to have a good video editor so that you can rank higher, because good video editing can lead you to more watch time and resulting in more subscribers and revenue. Then we have file name. Your uh, file name should be a keyword. You should know how to do keyword research. You can use vidIQ or you can use rapid tags or some other SEO tools, but your file name should be a keyword. For example, my video's thumbnail name is and YouTube video name is SEO for YouTube channel. I'm uploading this as a file name SEO for YouTube channel. Plus my thumbnail name would be the same. So my both file names and thumbnail names are same because this is the keyword. So there's a keyword in front of you. Then we have on-page SEO. First, you have to make sure that your title is perfectly aligned with psychology and has keywords. Keywords should be at the beginning, not at the end, because the more keywords appears in front of people, the more people are likely to click on. For example, let's say you are making a video on PUBG Mobile and you click on you write a title that says how to play a game that can help you to kill more people in PUBG Mobile. This is a useless article title because you are mentioning PUBG Mobile in the end. You have to mention it at the beginning of your video's title. For example, PUBG Mobile Ultimate Guide or PUBG Mobile How to Play. For example, such types that can help you to mention your keyword at the beginning of the title. This way you can do SEO very well. Then we have thumbnail. uh, Thumbnail should contain relevant images and titles and such psychology tricks that can convince your viewers to click on it, because when they click on it you earn a viewership. So that's how you earn views. So your thumbnail must be a good and generative keyword title that can help or lure people to get more clicks on it. Then we have description. Sometimes when you search in Google for something and Google does not find anything in the websites or articles or any other form, they show video description as a schema markup. So video as a snippet. So in order to get a featured snippet from YouTube, you have to place information inside your YouTube channel. For example, if you search for a thing that is pronunciation of some type of any word, you will find that a lot of YouTube channel appear in that area, because they have mentioned how to speak that word properly. So this is the way you can earn a featured snippet if you place a good description. Additionally, you have to write down all the keywords and relevant information that can help users. Then I forgot to write one thing, that is timestamps. You have to write timestamps, because if you write timestamps, for example, my timestamps will be SEO for YouTube channel, YouTube SEO, and other relevant tags. So in this way, I will do these uh, timestamps uh, as to help people to know more about specific section. Plus, I will rank higher for using keywords in my timestamps. Then we have hashtags. YouTube recommends you to use hashtags that are popular. For example, a movie comes or sometimes news pops up or any other event that happens in your territory, it can help you to rank higher for that specific hashtag. So you must use hashtags to get higher ranking. Then we have internal linking. Internal linking is like a tree. You know trees by its branches. So if your YouTube video has branches, if your YouTube channel has branches, YouTube will know that your channel is about specific category. How can you do that? You can add cards, for example, playlists, website, other video, and other elements that can help you to get more viewership on other videos. Let's say you are making a tutorial on any software, but you need to tell people that how to install that software. For example, I'm making video on YouTube SEO and I need to tell how to do keyword research. So I do, I click on, I add a card that instead of watching a complete keyword research video, you can go to my this video and it has a detailed guide. This way people can go to that video, look for the keyword research, and in result they get information and they come back and watch my video again. So cards are something that can help users to find more relevant information for the specific piece of content. Then we have end screens. End screens means that when video starts ending, you convince people to watch more. For example, you can ask people to ask people that we have another videos on that specific topic, and if you click on the end screen, you can learn more about us. In this way, you keep people more on your YouTube channel. In website language, this is called bounce rate. If your bounce rate is lower, for example, if people stay in your website or YouTube channel a far more time, you're highly likely to get ranked. But if your bounce rate is higher, then people, which means people are leaving your website or YouTube channel, and it will derank your YouTube channel. Then we have videos in description. You should mention the guidelines, referral videos, or any other content in the description so that people can easily go to that specific piece of content. Then we have tags. We should have ad tags. You can use rapidtags.io or vidIQ to generate tags. It's very easy. Just write a keyword and it will give you matching terms, trending topics, and the other competitors that use the same keyword. It will help you to write down more keywords, tags in your video. Then you should have backlinks. Backlinks means that someone is referring to your YouTube channel. You can earn a backlink by placing your video on your website and writing an article about it. It's a very good approach. In this way, you will appear in Google search results and YouTube both. Plus, you should share your video on social media channels. It will give you backlink. And by having a social presence, you can earn more viewership and ranking. Then you should have captions. YouTube helps you to generate captions automatically. You do not have to write it. But you can do one thing. You can add keywords and relevant tags in your caption, and it will help Google to understand more about your topic. Then we have other things that can help you to get more rankings, in which we have 3 shots a day. You must post 3 shorts a day in order to get more engagement and subscribers. You can get unlimited, in fact 1000 subscribers every 7 days. If you are lucky and your video gets viral, you can earn up to thousands and millions of subscribers. Then you should do live streams every week. People should know that you are coming live and solving their problems. This way you can help them to stay engaged with your channel and you can earn a backlink. Then you should have engagements. People should like and comment on your video. If they like and comment on your video, you will get higher response rate, and these people will help you to get more rankings in YouTube. Then you should have audience retention higher. For example, if someone watches your video 60%, let's say you have 10-minute video and your video gets watched for 6 minutes, it's a normal retention rate. But let's say your video gets watched 8 minutes or 9 minutes, that's 80 to 90 retention rate. People are watching it almost complete video. This means you are sending a good signal to YouTube to rank your video higher and recommend to more people that are interested in result you will get a lot of viewership and revenue. Then you have CTR, click through rate. Your CTR should be very high in order to get more views, because the more people will click on it, the more signals it will send to YouTube that your video is recommendable to others. Then you should have upgrade if necessary. For example, if your videos thumbnail or information gets outdated but other information that is relevant to it might comes again. For example, if you write an article about decoration, so after few years the term decoration disappears and some other interior design uh, terms appear, you have to change your topic and thumbnail again and it will re-rank again. So these are the simple details that can help you to rank higher in Google. You must apply these settings on your YouTube channel and your YouTube channel will grow like a guru. So follow for more videos.